Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the Verizon call filter application, how it actually works, what features it offers, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. So the Verizon call filter application is a spam call protection app, which is designed to help Verizon customers identify, block, and even manage the unwanted calls. The app scans the incoming calls and can label them as potential spam, robocall, or potential fraud before you answer. If a call is considered high risk, the service can automatically block the call and send it straight to the voicemail, helping you avoid the scam calls entirely. Now, the basic version of the call application is free for most of the Verizon wireless customers, and it includes several useful features like spam detection alerts when suspicious numbers call, automatic blocking of the high risk spam calls, spam and blocked call history, the ability of the report spam numbers to improve the detection, and allow list to make sure that the important numbers are never blocked. Now, Verizon also offer a premium version which is called the Call Filter Plus, which usually costs about $3.99 per month per line. This version added extra tools such as caller name ID for unknown numbers, spam risk meter, spam number lookup, personal block lists, the ability to block the entire area codes, and robocall categories. So most of the Verizon users, the free version is definitely worth using. It runs in the background and it can automatically identify or block many spam calls before they reach you. The ability to send high risk spam calls directly to voicemail can save a lot of time and frustration. The paid version may be worth it if you want advanced caller ID, strong filtering, and more customization. But many people find the free features sufficient. If this video helped you understand the Verizon call filter app, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.